With the Hawkeye package, we also give away two free indicators. One is called the Hawkeye pivots, which are these yellow dots here. The other one is the Hawkeye wide bar, which is this magenta bar here. The wide bar is showing you twice average true range over 20 bars. So when that happens, you are alerted that something unusual is happening in the market, and quite often you'll see that it goes into consolidation after these wide bars. In fact, it has in this case on the Apple daily chart. You can see that it jumped up twice average true range and then has gone sideways since. Now the other indicator, which is the Hawkeye pivot, is very important because it's really showing you what happens in a trend. Basically, it's an isolated high or isolated low. Let me explain an isolated high to you. Look at this one. There's a yellow dot on the top. What it is telling me is that it has a higher high and a higher low than the previous bar and the next bar, and we paint that. Conversely, when it has a lower low and a lower high, then the previous bar and the next bar, we paint a yellow dot. Now what you expect to see are 3, 5, 7 bar reversals off these dots. So for example, here you've got 1, 2, 3 down, pushes itself up, 1, 2, 3. Now that one came in at the bottom, so it's pushing itself up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up. And then when you get to the topping sequence and congestion sequences, you'll see that many of these isolated highs and lows just go flat. So for example, Apple here is just going flat in congestion and putting in isolated highs, isolated lows. That is quite normal for congestion areas and when the market is just about to stop and reverse.